mussels have been used by humans as a food source for 20,000 years. My mom loves mussels and destroys a lot of them at restaurants. These are mussels attached to the rocks here on the Jersey Shore beach. A mussel attaches itself to rocks with special threads or beards. These look like black hairs on a mussel's shell. When the tide leaves, a mussel fills its shell with water and seals it. So when the tide is low, the mussel's house stays filled with water. A mussel has 1 foot to move itself from place to place. See the foot coming from its shell? The soft part of the mussel's body you see peeking from its shell is called a mantle. It takes calcium from the water and makes slime that hardens into its shell. That's how a mussel grows its shell. Girl mussels have brown or red mantles, while boy mussels have white or yellow mantles. Mussels feed on plankton. One mussel can filter up to 65 liters of water a day. Mussels are very important for the habitat. They make sure the ocean is clean.